Hi friends, today I will take four M functions related to text. So my first M function is text.length and its usage is return the number of character in the text. So if you want to know the number of characters in the particular column, then you can use this text.length. So I'll tell you how to use this text.length. For that I have a table and I will load this table into Power Query editor. My data is loaded. You always check the format of the text. Suppose in your column, if format is other than text, then your M function will not work. So always check and convert data into text form. Now I'll use add column, custom column. I will give name of the column as result and my first M function is text.length length. Then use bracket, select column, and you get message no syntax error have been detected. If you don't get this message, you cannot go ahead. I'll check OK. My output is ready. So list of M function contains 19 characters. Same way here 2 to 3 has 3 characters. This text.length is very useful when I prepare tedious return on salary. Most of the time we get data of big companies containing 3,500 to 5,000 employees. So my data contain 10,000 to 15,000 PAN in one TDS quarterly return. So I use this particular M function frequently, and I get error before I upload yeah, this TDS return. My next M function is Text.At. This is a M function where you can find the exact alphabet if you give index number. So if you check the PAN card of individual, you know fourth alphabet is always P for individual. So your M function will be text.add, then you select the column, then you put 4 as a alphabet. But Power Query starts its first number from 0. So for fourth 0, 0 will be the first character, then second, third, fourth. So if you want to put fourth character, then you have to give type 3 in place of 4. So I'll show you how it works. So my data is there. I'll load this data into Power Query. I'll use add column, custom column. Then my M function will be text dot add open bracket. I'll select this column, then comma. Instead of 4, I'll put 3. I'll close the bracket. No syntax error have been detected, and I'll say OK. See, the fourth alphabet is P. And here it shows error because total characters are less than 4, and here fourth character is 0. So 1 2 3 then slash then 0. So this way you can use this M function for getting exact location of character based on your index number. My next M function is text.middle, and its syntax is text.middle bracket text as nullable text, start as number, then optional count as nullable text. This function is used to extract a given number of characters from the middle of the supplied text string. For example, if you get GSTN number of dealers, and if you want to know PAN card, PAN number, then you can use this command wherein you can extract pan from GSTN. So I'll use this using example. So we have this data, and if you see the seventh row, it contained GSTN number. Other data is not relevant for us, but for the sake of example, we'll load this data using data from table. My data is loaded. I'll use Text.Middle. For that, I'll use add command, custom command. Then my M function will be Text.Middle. I'll open a bracket. Then I will select this column 1. My pan will start from third character. So I'll use second because you know, uh, and my total pan characters will be 10. So I'll close the data and select OK. See, my pan number is correctly reflected in this command, in this example. My fourth M function is text.range. There is no difference between text.middle and text.range. Only thing is that in text.range, if characters are less than the desired results, then it will show error. Otherwise, everything is same. So what I'll do, I'll use old query and will use add column and use this text.range. So I'll just click the old query. We have results of earlier query and M function text.middle. So we'll use text.range. So I'll use add column, custom column, and I'll put M function as text.range. We'll select this column 1, then we'll select 2, then comma 10, and we'll see the results. We got exact results, perfect result in case of sixth row. We got correct pan, but here in row number 5, 4, and 3, since number of characters are less than expected, so it shows error. There are more than 700 M functions that are available in Power Query. Out of that, I only showed you four text M functions. I hope you enjoy this session, and in case of any query, kindly write to me on my email ID, uh, ask to Satish, Satish at gmail.com. Till then, bye. I wish you happy learning. Thank you.